18 years ago, my husband brought in one parrot. We had it in the house for about 2 years. I sit on the back porch, and another parrot, he caught up another parrot. Come down, got in the cage, the other one, and I went out and shut the door. And they were compatible. But they were so noisy. They wake up bright and early every morning. I told him either the birds go or I go. So he turned them loose. They were gone a day and a half when he turned them loose. And come back and built on the side of the house, on the wires. There was a big nest over there on a telephone pole over there, a transformer. They like transformers where it's warm. It's strange how they do, but they're smart. They know what they're doing. And then they went to the trees. The squirrels run them to the trees. Been there since. They all come from two birds, the two that he turned loose. That's unbelievable, but it's true. They have 5 eggs in the spring and 5 eggs in the fall. They lay 10 eggs, a year. These birds been out there for 18 years, and they've just multiplied and multiplied, and they've moved on to other areas. Well, I never dreamed anything like this. Or I wouldn't have said, turn them loose. If I hadn't fed them, they would have, I'm sure they wouldn't have made it. Because I will put water out there, they feed, and I protect them too. Because people come out here with guns to shoot them. But they drove up out there with guns, and I, go out there and scream at them, and they take off. But the little birds that survive, anyway. My son says, Mom, we can't protect them 24 hours a day. I said, I know that. So why do people won't be mean to them like that? And if I see a hawk up there, they'll start screaming. I know something's out there. Cat or a hawk or something. I'll go out there and clap my hands and the hawk will fly. It's strange, but then they get real quiet. But when they get loud out there, there's something out there. They can see me and they holler. They do. I feed them over the morning and I feed them in the afternoon. That's been going on for 18 years. And I mix wild bird, sunflower seeds together, and I feed them apples. They're healthy little birds. They look healthy. Well, you have to feed them right. They will get sick and die, I imagine. So far, I haven't found a dead one out here. We've had some that, as babies, and I'd hand feed them, and they get real gentle. They'll talk to you. They repeat what you say to them. My son's always telling me, Mom, you can take a good vacation, on what you feed these birds, which I could. I know they can survive on their own because there's places around here now where I've seen them, but they still come back here to eat. I've always wanted a parrot. Well, I got lots of parrots now. And I can tell people about it, and they don't believe me. Well, come over and look at them. The neighbors have not complained. They like them. And everybody comes here wants one. And they want to get them down, but I won't let them do it. I tell them no. We turn them loose to go free, and they were enjoying it. There's been people come from New York. I wished I'd taken a picture of everybody when they first see them. Their mouth flies open, their eyes get big. But I never thought this would ever happen, in this area. Because everybody goes on about, do they go to other places in the winter? No, they don't go in other places. They go off, but they come back here and nest. They call me the bird lady. Everybody asks me, what's going to happen to the birds when you're gone? Well, my son maybe will do it. If you don't, somebody else will do it. I love the birds. I think they're pretty. You like them too, don't you?